Hey guys, Jeremy from School of Wok Covent Garden. This week is a Wok Wednesday special because we're in central Hong Kong cooking up healthy Asian dishes for AIA. So Benny here is cooking a wild rice and barley fried rice. Super healthy, simple, just swapping out the white rice for wild rice or barley, frike, whatever you frike want. So it's very, very simple, but true wok cooking is all about high heat, serious power. You can hear the flame is that strong, and the high heat, it won't burn if you know what you're doing. You've got to move that wok's air around. In a home environment, it's no different. Get your wok to a really high heat and then continue to stir fry, fold, give it a wok toss if you're confident enough. You've seen enough of my videos, you know how to do that. Round and round, back and forwards, flick it up. That's the whole speed and power of wok cooking. And this is the true wok master. The veg are in, mushrooms, asparagus, a little bit of garlic, then your wild rice straight in at high heat, along with some barley. That's just been cooked through or soaked through and then cooked. Barley, 20 minutes of soaking, wild rice, soak overnight, and then boil it for 2 or 3 minutes. Simple as that. Finish it off in the wok, 2, 3, 4, 5 quick stir fries, and then you're done. We've got a sauce here, which is XO sauce, so XO, oyster sauce, and a little bit of chicken stock or vegetable stock. That's it. Quick stuff. The last thing that goes into this is some really finely matchsticked up green cabbage and some diced tomatoes just to add a bit of freshness to that super healthy fried rice. Hope you enjoyed this week's Wok Wednesday special here in Hong Kong with AIA and the School of Wok team. Don't forget there's loads of other videos here all about wok and how to get the best out of your wok, so subscribe to our channel and you won't miss it.